in Wall Street, if you touch the bull's balls, it gives you luck on your investments. We don't have bulls in Finland, so hopefully this is enough for our investments to go up. Epic place, Tetriniemi. This is
in Savonlinna it means 7 chateaux, so soap castle.
And we are surrounded again by Lake Saimaa. Really
beautiful,
nice.
Beautiful pine trees, 360.
So really nice camping place. There is fire pits on the shoreline, and this is again middle of nowhere. We love it a lot. This is natural harbor, which is quite empty because again it's not on the main highways of lakes, so
yeah, little isolated place and no one will come.
We love this kind of camping places, and these are quite easy to find in Finland, so little bit of the beaten path. It's not in the near the large roads
or any towns,
so you can be in these places all alone. And yeah.
We absolutely love being here.
Yeah, it's really nice to be actually in Finland because you can be isolated in middle of nature. Like this is a place that we haven't actually heard any noise for hours. So there's no boats going, there's no roads going, there's nothing.
Yeah, perfect place to be. Finland is so beautiful during summer.
Made good food, grilled here. Yeah, just enjoying. It's a simple life. We would rather be here than working at the moment and getting more money because we don't spend money in here. It's enough.
We have everything we need. Clear waters to bathe, firewood to burn, and drink coffee.
Yes. In Finland there's this system that you pay for roskarope. So it's basically a service boat. You pay yearly fee, then you can dispose your waste, and there's always firewood on these harbors and toilets that are not full and that kind of things.
And sometimes saunas.
Yeah, I think there is like 5 or 6 saunas, at least what I know, in Saimaa area, in the islands. You can go there with the boat and go to sauna and enjoy evening there.
Gorgeous, beautiful place once again. We are so lucky to be in Finland during the summer. Here's nobody else.
This is again place which is
middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere. You have to first drive 20 kilometers to nearest road.
Beach.
Even road. There is just a gravel roads around here that you're gonna get to a tarmac, and then you can actually start traveling to the city or town.
And here lives a Saimaa ringed seal, funny little seal that is very tiny and very rare, almost extinct. So it looks like pulla with the whiskers. These outhouses are very common in Finnish nature parks and recreational areas. There are dry toilets and composting toilets, so you can poop and pee there, but please do not empty your chemical toilet there. Fisherman has left all his nets here unlocked, and he just keeps his boats here. It's nice to see that people trust other people here. Here is more firewood, but of course you need to saw them and then whack them. But I think they have been here a long time and nobody visits this place, so that's why people are not really using the firewood. But beautiful, beautiful Lake Saimaa. Gorgeous weather here.
This is a great place because here is sand beach where you can actually spend the day, and you can have your van up on that hill over there and see the whole Saimaa from there. Weather looks so tempting, so we can actually go swimming. Yeah, getting some dishwashing water. Usually when we are beside the water, we use this can, which is duct taped at the moment, to have our dishwashing water. So we can use water in our water tank only for drinking and making food.
We decided to change the spot. I don't know if it's visible, but it's kind of windy here, and we did check out the weather forecast, and it's going to be like a heavy-duty storm in this area. And if we look around us, there's quite many of these fallen tree stumps that happened in a past storm, so it's not a good idea to be here in the middle of the woods where is a rotten wood that can just collapse and smash our vehicle. We do not want to do that. Also, we are running out of our groceries, so we will head to the town and go grocery shopping and maybe spend the night in the town, because there's always a gardeners that take care of the trees, so it's more safer spot to be with the vehicle. Yeah, plenty of these fallen tree trunks here. So we are continuing our road trip. Surprise, plot twist. Yeah, let's hit the road again. We are in Savonlinna and our van is parked here. Beautiful spot next to the river where we can go deep in. And Savonlinna Castle, Olavinlinna, just around the corner. And we are going to admire the sunset, and we have a Pulla, our small doggy, with us. Pulla is not really much in our vlogs that much because he sleeps a lot because he is old doggy, but he is very well traveling with us still. He is just enjoying his senior days. Okay, we are parked next to this caravan, and they have a grey water tap open, so the whole path is soaked. And now they are vacuuming. There's a paved walkway next to us, but people will find a way, and this forest kind of path is so much more enjoyable to walk. All these green leaves. Enjoying beautiful views of the Olavinlinna here in Savonlinna, and we are drinking red wine and also eating some candy. Breathtaking place to enjoy summer nights.
This has been extraordinary summer. It's warm like this. We are still in t-shirts. I think usually in this time of year it's like yeah, not t-shirt time. Yes, gonna go actually to Savonlinna for walk and just enjoying day. Yeah, there goes a walk path on that bridge, so you can get straight to the center.
Every little town is very beautiful in Finland during the summer months. And during the winter they are totally dead. This little town has taught everything. If you bring your own doggy, they have these massive hooks where you can attach your doggy. Behind me is the Ulanzi castle, Olavinlinna. We are not going to go take a tour there, because we have been in that castle, but it's pretty amazing during the hottest summer days, it's amazing to be inside of that thick rock castle. It's really nice and cool breeze there. Yeah, they have festivals there, gigs, concerts, high culture, operas, everything for everybody. And this park here is really clean looking. I think this Savonlinna is probably the cleanest little town we have been visiting. They have a grass field everywhere and it looks pretty Swedish to us and not Finnish at all. And this town is surrounded by this clear, black, deep stream water. It's amazing contrast.
Only way to the castle is through that pontoon bridge, and they open it when there comes those cruises to circle around the Ulanzi castle. This is a pretty place to be in the summertime, and also it's pretty weather. Lucky us.
The smell of tar is so amazing. We really love these big black Savonia rowboats. They're so huge and so narrow.
That's legendary Toppala on top of the Saab. They used to actually sell those. It looks crazy on top of that small car. But yeah, full breed truck camper from I think 80s. So let's take a break. Oh, this is probably not right.
We did buy a vendens. It's moikku in Finnish. This tiny, gorgeous tasting whitefish that lives in this area. And there's plenty of moikku restaurants and street food corners. But we decided to go back to our van and prepare moikku supper for us ourselves.
That is one way actually to keep our budget down. So making local cuisine with ourselves.
Yeah.
It's benefits. We can actually learn how to do it in the same time when we are eating them.
And then we appreciate every moment of it. With the fish we will enjoy our smashed potatoes. And then we have a lemon and kermaviili.
We are making like a sour cream sauce with some mustard, citron and peppers. Really simple, just mix it up in a bowl and you have a sauce with you to fish. Yeah, dill sauce is also good, and making it from the sour cream is really great way of doing it. I love it that way. I think it's the best way for making fish sauces. I think this is part of the summer experience in Finland.
This tastes really Finnish, and we are glad we can have a budget meal that is like a primo thing, and we don't have to go to expensive restaurants, and we can enjoy the same food here in a lovely settings. It just takes a little bit effort and a fraction of the price. Let's enjoy it.
Nom nom.
Really good.
Vendens was great. Wow. So even if you have a low budget, you don't have to really miss anything, or you don't have to miss local cuisine, because you can make it yourself.
Yeah.
It's a fraction of the price. In a restaurant in Savonlinna it's 18 euros to get vendors with the sauce and smashed potatoes. Our cost approximately 3 euros or 2.7 euros per portion. So it was great to actually know how to do them. There is always recipes available online to make anything, paella or any other local cuisine.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why we absolutely love traveling with the camper van.
Yeah, and now it's for dessert. This is lörtsy. It's apple lörtsy. It's like feta cheese. It's protected by copyright laws.
Or champagne, and we have a lörtsy in Savonia. So it's this half
moon-shaped.
Yeah, and it's thin, and you can have a lörtsy as a lunch with the minced meat inside, or these sweet ones as a treat. And our lörtsy has apple sauce in it. It's the most traditional lörtsy. You can also have blueberry lörtsy, cloudberry lörtsy, or salty ones with even fish in it. Yeah. So we bought these from the store, and it was 5 times cheaper than it was from the market. We did have a great time here in Savonlinna. We did meet our friends here, and now we are continuing our road trip. And weather is supposed to be a little crappier next few days, so we are hoping we can get to our next overnight spot before the sunset and have a little barbecue and enjoy the evening. Then just enjoy indoor activities if it starts to rain. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Savonlinna. One of the must-have destinations on your Eastern Finland road trip for sure.